All good, all good. I'm great.
Yeah? Everything okay? Excited to jump?
Yes, I am very excited to jump.
First
Yeah.
time, huh?
Yeah, this is my first time. Yeah.
Little bit scared?
No, I'm excited, not scared.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. So, you met Ivan, you understood the briefing, everything clear about
Yes,
it?
yes. All the instructions are clear.
Yeah? Any question about it or good?
No, no, I'm good.
Awesome. Last words before you go, anything to say? Any message?
Enjoy life. One life. Enjoy life.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Any message for her?
I love you, darling.
Good, huh?
Yeah.
Nice. Also, ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Good. Thank you. Jump.
It's amazing. It's like amazing feeling. I can't express in words.
You had fun? Was good?
Yes, I'm flying like anything.
You were flying like a bird, my friend.
Yes, yes.
Nice. You gonna jump again?
Yes, for sure. I will come back.
Beautiful, brother. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And we see you
Thank
next time.
Thank
Alright.
you guys for.
Have a good day.